To improve retrieval performance on frequently queried field combinations in the CUS table, the Contoso development team has decided to add a new index to the CUS table. Specifically, we want to improve query times for queries on the account num field and the new DB elite status field. Let's walk through how to do this. So as you can see, I have my custable.extension already open in my DB Fleet Management project. And now you'll just want to go to the indexes node and we're going to create a new index. So we're going to right click and click new index. So as you can see, when I do that, that'll expand our indexes node and we can see that there's several indexes already created. Here's our new index. We can see that by the bolded and the little green plus sign. And let's go ahead and rename this to be DB Fleet Management. And then what we'll do is put IDX so we know that this is an index at the end. So it's important to remember that that IDX postfix is a best practice for your naming conventions for when you're creating a table index. So we went ahead and renamed that, and we can see it's been renamed over here in the designer as well. So the defaults in the properties window will work for our purposes as we're only adding the index to improve a retrieval performance. Now we need to add fields to the index so we can actually help with data retrieval. So as specified by our requirements, we want to add the same fields that we placed in the DB Fleet Management field group, which are the account num and that DB elite status. So we can right click on our index and we would click new field. And then we would go over to our data field and we would then specify our two fields that we want to add to this index. So I'll go to DB and we're going to select DB elite status and I'm going to right click on our index again and do new field. And I'm going to specify account num. Click the drop down and we'll select account num. So now that we've finished, we've created a new index, we've added our two fields, and I can just go ahead and do a save, and I will go ahead and build my project.